The Apple AirTag is a very powerful gadget that I use to tag my schooler children for some simple geolocation tracking to check whether they have reached to their school, to their nanny house, and their whereabouts. I did a video about it, you can check by clicking the link above here. Here's the thing, this tracker is not cheap. It costs about 110 ringgit to 139 ringgit per piece. Then I stumbled upon a gadget that functions similar to what the AirTag does, but at a fraction of the cost. What surprised me was it uses the Apple Find My apps, which means it's MFI certified. Or does it? To feed my curiosity, I bought two of them. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 115. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Here's my reviews of this clone Apple AirTag that costs less than RM15. That's about $3 US. In terms of design, it doesn't look near to the Apple AirTag. Matter of fact, it looks just like the Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag. It made out of plastics and uses the standard CR2032 buttons battery, which is the same battery uses on the Apple AirTag. From the build, it doesn't seem to have any water IP ratings. It's pretty much expected from the given price point. Now, the moments of truth. Does it pair with the iPhone Find My app? And it does and functions similar to what the Apple AirTag. But yes, there's always a but for such a cheap gadget. It can only be added as an other items instead of AirTag. It has an inbuilt speakers that you can trigger to locate the tracker. It also shows the locations, last seen, share with your friends or family that uses iOS, notify you when you left it behind, and even lost mode. Here's the main difference. This clone AirTag doesn't have a U1 chip. This means you can't use the precise finding as the AirTag does. It only tells you the locations within 10 meters of range, which isn't that bad for a tracker considering it doesn't require an internet connection or GPS, and it has a long battery life. Importantly, it's the chip. This can be a great tracker for vehicles because it's so small and has a long battery life. You can hide it anywhere inside your car. Touch wood. If your car got stolen, you can at least locate it whereabouts, and within 10 meters, it should be easy to spot. You must be asking, how does it work? Does it only work on iPhones? What about Android? The AirTag and even this clone AirTag sends out a secure Bluetooth signals that can be detected by nearby devices in the Find My network. And these devices send the locations of your AirTags to iCloud, which is how you can see the locations on the map. The whole process is encrypted to protect privacy, so you don't have to worry about anyone else accessing this information. Unfortunately, it only works on iOS devices like iPhones and iPad. What do you think about this AirTag clone? I would say it's a good buy since it's so cheap and works 80% of what AirTag can do. That's all from me on this clone Apple AirTag. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the